today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Chase to PayPal and how to link your Chase bank account to PayPal. This guide is straightforward and I'll walk you step by step to make managing your finances seamless. First, open a web browser on your desktop or mobile device and navigate to paypal.com. PayPal remains one of the most secure and widely used platforms for online financial transactions, ensuring your money is safe. On the home page, locate the login button at the top right and click it. Enter your registered PayPal email and password carefully, making sure your credentials are correct. Then click login again. You will now see the updated 2025 PayPal dashboard showing your balance, recent activity, shortcuts for sending or requesting money, and quick access to your wallet and settings. Next, click on Wallet from the top menu or sidebar. This section manages all linked bank accounts and cards. Here, locate the Banks and Cards option and select it. If you haven't connected a bank account yet, click Link a Bank. In the next screen, carefully select Chase Bank, if prompted, or choose Other Bank, and manually enter your bank details. You will need your Chase account number and routing number. Double check these entries to prevent errors. After entering the details, click Link Bank to confirm. PayPal may ask you to verify your account. Verification can be done instantly using your online banking login through PayPal or via micro deposit confirmation. This ensures your Chase account is securely connected and ready for transactions. Once linked, you can now transfer money between Chase and PayPal effortlessly. To send money, go back to your dashboard, select Pay and Get Paid, then choose Transfer Money. Pick Transfer from Bank or e-transfer to bank. Enter the amount and follow the prompts. Funds will usually reflect within 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank. You can also manage this directly from the Chase mobile app by linking your PayPal account there, making mobile transactions fast and convenient. By following these steps, your Chase bank account is successfully connected to PayPal, giving you greater flexibility for sending, receiving, and managing funds. Always ensure your account details are current and review PayPal security recommendations regularly. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more up-to-date tutorials on managing your finances efficiently with PayPal and other platforms. Happy linking!